Is your Windows 10 or 11 experiencing Microsoft Visual C++ runtime issues? Join us as we unveil the fixes in this quick guide. Let's get your system running smoothly. Press Win+R, then type msconfig and press Enter. Click the Services tab in the top and check the box next to hide all Microsoft services. Now, click the Disable All button, click on Startup tab, then click on Open Task Manager. Disable unnecessary programs. Right-click the Windows button, then click on Device Manager. Expand the Display Adapters section and right-click your graphics card. Select Update the driver. Select the Uninstall Device option from the menu. Press the Windows button, then type in rstrui and select it as a run command from the search results. Click on Next and then choose the earliest point in time before the problem occurred. Click on Next once again, and lastly click on the Finish button. Thanks for watching. Hope this helped. If so, hit like and subscribe.